Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. German ship repair Jamaica, GSRJ, has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Heart NSTA Trust in a bid to train more personnel in the shipping industry. The deal is expected to help strengthen Jamaica's position in the multi-billion-dollar sector. The German ship repair company at Rockford. It offers a range of services to vessels, but as it expands, acquiring local labor is priority.
We had reached a point where we had approximately 54 to 56 employed persons in total, and the rest of the 150 being contracted workers and so on. And of that 54 to 56 workers, about half of them were expats that we recruited from other countries.
Colonel Martin Ripman is CEO of the company. He is hoping to have more local talent in the workforce, especially in the specialist areas. That is why an agreement was signed with the national training agency, the Heart NSTA Trust. Dr. Tanisha Ingleton is its managing director. She says through the MOU, trainees will benefit from apprenticeship at the GSRJ.
Such as apprenticeship, it will expose youths to the work environment while developing the necessary employability skills by facilitating trainees' integration into the workspaces to undertake real work activities and enhance their learning experiences. So you're not just learning a skill. You're not just doing what you need to do to repair ships. You are becoming employable.
She also says courses and training modules will be developed along with enrichment for staff at the shipyard and instructors.
The shipping industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. As a matter of fact, it is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of around 3.5% to 4.5% from 2024 that we're in to 2030. It now stands at $22.9 billion. That is what we're looking at in terms of the shipping industry. We have to get our young people to get the skills and the competencies that they need to tap into that industry.
Colonel Ripman says graduates from the program will also receive internationally recognized certification.
These guys become marketable on the international scene, which is an excellent career path for many young persons who are coming through. So we're looking for the best of these guys who want to come to the shipyard. We will, with a partnership with the Heart NSTA Trust, be able to work on the development of these training through an internship program, a robust internship program.
They were both speaking at the MOU signing last week. Let's head to the markets now. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $158.65. The Canadian is going for $117.47. $208.32 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $177.36. The JSE main index gained almost 2 points today, while the junior market index was up 43 points. Among the 50 winners were Main Event Entertainment Group, Innovative Energy Group, Consolidated Bakeries, Carbon Assurance Brokers, and Margaritaville Turks. The 31 losers included Cygnus Credit Investments 8.5% preference shares, Pan Jamaica Group, Sagicor Select Funds Financial, or parent company Radio Jamaica, and Image Plus Consultants. 24 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.